why micro niche clarity is very important and a first step even before thinking about launching your own digital course. And in this video, I'm going to explain you in detail. So guys, my name is Purushottam Hamberde and I'm a founder of Coach Easily Workshop. And most probably you're watching this video after booking the ticket for my 4-hour live workshop. And if you have not yet booked the ticket, then go ahead. There will be a link below to the description where you can book the ticket for this workshop, and the price is less than a movie ticket. Yes, I'm right. So let me go to the topic right now. So why it is very important to think about micro niche. And unless and until you don't have that niche clarity, why your videos, why your digital course will not be successful. A lot of people, they are jumping on tactics, tricks, making videos, okay, and doing webinars, launching digital course. They are completely focused on how to earn money, how to do affiliate marketing, how to someone get results, all the tactics are there. But my friend, niche is the roots. And if you don't have clarity what is niche means, niche is nothing else but the specialty. But don't worry, inside the workshop I'm going to go more deeper into that. First hour of this workshop will be completely focused on that, and in 30 minutes itself I will give you clarity in which topic you should choose for launching your digital course and which topic you should choose to make videos. Okay, but here my point is to tell you that roots gives us fruits. And this niche clarity, the micro niche clarity, not only niche but the micro niche, means you have to go narrow down, is the root. And once you work on these roots, then you don't have to worry about the fruits, because roots gives us fruits, and all the people are running behind only fruits. They want to be successful digital coach, they want to be successful video creator, but they never worked on the niche. There are multiple reasons why niche clarity is very important. Once you have your niche clarity, what happens? You will have more strategies to make more videos. It will be easy to create more content because of having a clarity in which topic you are focused on, which target you have. Second thing is, your videos will be problem solving for the audience, where people who will be coming to your videos, they will see, wow, I have this problem and this person is solving that problem, right? That means your videos will be more problem solving, and if you are able to solve someone's problem, they would love to join you. And there are a lot of people who request, they beg for people to please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my email list, please. But my friend, people don't subscribe or join you once you request them. No, people will join or subscribe you only when they find value in you, they find a reason to subscribe. And once you have the clarity of your micro niche, they will get a reason that you are the person who is going to help them in their area, right? That's why this micro niche clarity is very important step, even before you think about launching your digital course, or even before thinking about making videos, or even before thinking about learning how to make videos. And that's why the first step, the first checkpoint in our roadmap of Coach Easily Workshop, I have given a first checkpoint as a micro niche clarity. And in 30 minutes, okay, around, let's say right now we have a program maybe at 4 p.m, right? So in the first 30 minutes, I will give you other answers which I have in my mind and a lot of people have in their mind. And at 4:30 minutes, after 30 minutes of workshop, I will start. And at up to 5 p.m, you will get your first checkpoint tick mark, where you will say, wow, now I know where I should work. Now I know how to find my micro niche. Now I know how can I go more deeper into the topic to find unique interests, right? I know right now you are crazy excited to join this workshop, and if you already booked the ticket, then I know you are not able to stop yourself, but I will see you live very soon. And that's why keep watching for my upcoming videos. Likewise, I'm going to give you the value even before you join the workshop, because that's how I'm passionate about to helping you get the results. So I will see you live in our Coach Easily workshop. Till the time, take it easy and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are just watching on my YouTube right now, okay? And click on that bell icon, because I'm going to put this kind of valuable videos which will definitely help you. So my notifications will not disturb you but give you some value to grow in 2021. So guys, let's help each other and grow together in this journey. You can watch my other videos here on this side or maybe on this side, okay? And yes, I will see you in my next videos. Bye bye.